Good morning, Siri.
Good morning.
Siri, how are you today?
I'm happy to be here.
Siri, what are updates?
It's currently partly cloudy and 61 degrees. Expect cloudy skies for this morning. Today's high will be 68 degrees. That's all for now.
Siri, what is a computer?
A computer.
Siri, can you read about computer?
Okay, I found this on the web for Can You Read About Computer? Check it out.
Siri,
Mm-hmm.
what is a computer?
A computer is a machine that can be programmed to automatically carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations. Want to hear more?
Yes.
Modern digital electronic computers can perform generic sets of operations known as programs. These programs enable computers to perform a wide range of tasks.
Siri, who is Charles Babbage?
Charles Babbage was an English polymath, a mathematician, philosopher, inventor, and mechanical engineer. Babbage originated the concept of a digital programmable computer. Shall I continue?
Yes.
Babbage is considered by some to be father of the computer.
Siri, turn off silent mode.
Sorry, I can't do that.
Siri, turn on silent mode.
Sorry, I can't help you with that.
Siri, what is cellular data?
Cellular data is on. Let me know if you want to turn it off.
Siri, what are stem cells?
In multicellular organisms, stem cells are undifferentiated or partially differentiated cells that can change into various types of cells and proliferate indefinitely to produce more of the same stem cell. Want to hear more?
Yes.
They are the earliest type of cell in a cell lineage. They are found in both embryonic and adult organisms, but they have slightly different properties in each.
Siri, what are neurons?
Okay, I found this on the web for what are new ones. Check it out.
Siri, what are neurons?
A neuron, or nerve cell is an excitable cell that fires electric signals called action potentials across a neural network in the nervous system. Shall I continue?
Yes.
Neurons communicate with other cells via synapses, which are specialized connections that commonly use minute amounts of chemical neurotransmitters to pass the electric signal from the presynaptic neuron to the target cell through the synaptic gap. Neurons are the main components of nervous tissue in all animals except sponges and placozoans.
Siri, what time is the sunset?
Today, sunset will be at 4:43 p.m.
Siri, what time is the sunrise?
Sunrise was at 6:33 a.m. today.
Siri, what is Santa Margarita Water District?
Santa Margarita Water District is a utilities provider in California, USA, responsible for providing safe and reliable water and wastewater services to the residents and businesses within its service area. This answer is from doxo.com.
Siri, find me the definition of prohibited.
Prohibited means that has been forbidden, banned. Do you want to hear the remaining one?
Yes.
It means formally forbid something by law, rule, or other authority.
Siri, what is YouTube?
YouTube is an American social media and online video sharing platform owned by Google. Want to hear more?
Yes.
YouTube was founded on February 14, 2005, by Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim, three former employees of PayPal. Headquartered in San Bruno, California, United States, it is the second most visited website in the world, after Google Search. In January 2024, YouTube had more than 2.7 billion monthly active users, who collectively watched more than 1 billion hours of videos every day.
Siri, what is recycle?
Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. Should I keep going?
Yes.
This concept often includes the recovery of energy from waste materials. The recyclability of a material depends on its ability to reacquire the properties it had in its original state. It is an alternative to conventional waste disposal that can save material and help lower greenhouse gas emissions.
Siri, what are plants?
Plants are the eukaryotes that form the kingdom Plantae. They are predominantly photosynthetic. Shall I continue?
Yes.
This means that they obtain their energy from sunlight, using chloroplasts derived from endosymbiosis with cyanobacteria to produce sugars from carbon dioxide and water, using the green pigment chlorophyll. Exceptions are parasitic plants that have lost the genes for chlorophyll and photosynthesis, and obtain their energy from other plants or fungi.
Siri, are trees provide oxygen?
Okay, I found this on the web for arteries provide oxygen. Check it out. Yes, trees do provide oxygen. This is from Britannica?
Siri, who is Abraham Lincoln?
Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States, serving from 1861 until his assassination in 1865. Want to hear more?
Yes.
He led the United States through the American Civil War, defending the nation as a constitutional union, defeating the Confederacy, playing a major role in the abolition of slavery, expanding the power of the federal government, and modernizing the U.S. economy. Lincoln was born into poverty in a log cabin in Kentucky, and was raised on the frontier, mainly in Indiana.
Siri, who is George Washington?
George Washington was a founding father of the United States, military officer, and farmer who served as the first president of the United States from 1789 to 1797. Should I keep going?
Yes.
Appointed by the Second Continental Congress as commander of the Continental Army in 1775, Washington led Patriot forces to victory in the American Revolutionary War. He then served as president of the Constitutional Convention in 1787, which drafted the current Constitution of the United States.
Siri, what is Mayflower?
Mayflower was an English sailing ship that transported a group of English families, known today as the Pilgrims, from England to the New World in 1620. Want to hear more?
Yes.
After 10 weeks at sea, Mayflower, with 102 passengers and a crew of about 30, reached what is today the United States, dropping anchor near the tip of Cape Cod, Massachusetts, on November 21, 1620.
Siri, what are wildflowers?
A wildflower is a flower that grows in the wild, the flower of a wild or uncultivated plant or the plant bearing it. Should I keep going?
Yes.
Meaning it was not intentionally seeded or planted. The term implies that the plant is neither a hybrid nor a selected cultivar that is any different from the native plant, even if it is growing where it would not naturally be found. The term can refer to the whole plant, even when not in bloom, and not just the flower. Wildflower is an imprecise term.
Siri, thanks for the help.
Don't mention it.
Hey Siri,
Mm-hmm.
thanks for helping me.
My pleasure.